the JounJip mechanical keyless deadbolt lock. The parts that we have for this lock: primary keypad, secondary body, 2 seals, a deadbolt, 2 different sizes of spindle, 2 screw extension posts, a latch support pin, 50, 60, and 70 millimeter screws, a template that will indicate where the holes should be drilled. This has the code for your lock. This is a random code that's preset at the factory. This keypad comes from the factory set up for a right hinge door with the hinges on the right side. If you have the hinges on the left like ours, then you'll need to remove this little plate here. There's a pin inside that we have to move.